At the beginning of the century, Fresh Company has drawn up a plan for constructing washing machine factories complex. In 2003, the industrial complex was opened, covering an area of 10,000 square meter, multi-story building, including plastic division, molds division, production lines, quality labs, and warehouses, hiring 750 workers and 40 engineers and administrative officers. The complex consists of engines factory, producing more than 1,600,000 engines yearly. Before starting work in manufacturing and assembling washing machines parts, we test at our labs all the raw materials we receive. At Molds Division, we work on the continual development, that the divisions perform servicing and maintaining 1,500 models, and characterization manufactures some new models annually that used in manufacturing more than 300 models of washing machines. At Plastic Factory, the injection machines, 55 machines of different sizes from 80 tons to 2,000 tons, receive the raw plastic and transfer it to different parts of washing machines. Plastic pieces undergo all quality tests before being approved by our engineers for the following phases. At Assembly Division, the assembly line is moving non-stop from one phase to another to accomplish the manufacturing process of fresh washing machines. The belt is fully safe as a protection for our workers. Fresh Washing Machines Factory has many international certificates, including ISO 9001. During all different work phases, the product undergoes all tests of performance and safety to avoid any defect in workmanship and to manufacture a high-quality product. In addition to all tests that took place during all different processes of manufacturing, samples are randomly picked up before reaching the warehouse to undergo operating and leak testing, as well as testing the joints and welds. Our sales volume of fresh washing machines reach 1 million half-automatic washing machines yearly. While we sell more than 50,000 full automatic washing machines, we export at least 40% of our washing machines to Africa, Asia, Europe, and South America. Fresh washing machines, made in Egypt by Egyptian hands. Fresh products. We are trustworthy.